My name is Madhurima and my father's name is Venkat Ramanraju Nandimandalam. So before coming here, my father was experiencing heaviness in his heart probably, or like he had a multiple elements like breathlessness, kind of like he cannot even walk for a while, kind of that. So we were actually thinking like it was related to his age and then he had an eosinophilia kinds. But when we came here and we got to know that he had a multiple elements, not only complaints about the heart, but also like something on the pulmonology side of it. And I would say like the hospital had given us a confidence, like they treated him completely, not only from the cardiology perspective, but also from the pulmonology perspective. I'm very happy to see my father now after undergoing the TAVR procedure. So I would say it's an exceptionally well done procedure by Dr. Sharath Reddy Garu. Huge thanks to him. I don't know, how to thank him so much, because the procedure was so complicated and we got to know that like once in such kinds of procedures are done only once in a lifetime by a couple of well-trained and well-experiential doctors. So my father was also diabetic and he's 76-year-old. So considering all these factors, doctor has suggested to undergo a risk procedure. He has assessed the risk before doing the surgery, and he also gave us a confidence that the technology is well advanced, well done, and now not to worry about it. And he also given us a disclaimer, not just showing the rosy side of it. He also explained the risks associated with that, so that we can take a call as a family, like what is that in for us. It was so helpful, and like the happiness that when the doctor said the operation was success and the procedure went well, and also the lesser recovery time that my father had done at his age, like within 2 days he was able to do his things on his own. He is able to walk, move around, which is not the case in many of the patients like who undergo the heart surgery. So I'm very thankful, and then I would definitely recommend this procedure for most of the patients, like who are geriatric and then who have these complicated elements. Very happy about it.